The heartless reality behind scams. In the harsh reality of today's society, all scam groups, particularly those operating online, revolve around a terrifying truth: emotions. These fraudsters skillfully exploit people's emotions, because those most easily deceived are often the ones who harbor deep feelings for others. However, once the victims realize they've been deceived, do they still retain any emotions towards the scammers? No, they won't. On the contrary, they become even more callous. These swindlers violate people's trust through deceit, stripping them of their money and, at times, injuring their souls. Once the lies are exposed, the trust and emotions that once existed vanish into thin air. The deceived not only suffer financial losses, but also harbor profound skepticism about human nature. This heartless reality prompts deep reflection. In a society rife with fraud and deception, how do we maintain trust and genuine emotions towards others? Perhaps it is in this cold reality that we need to approach interpersonal relationships with increased vigilance and rationality, lest we become the next victims of a scam.